the way North American cowboys behave and sing took root in the countryside and cities of Brazil. Let's go. Stay tuned. Sertanejo music is the most listened to musical genre here in Brazil, and it shows a large part of our cultural identity. And it's important to remember that this identity is formed from various mixtures between cultural manifestations from within the country and also from abroad. When the subject is music, it couldn't be different. The rural culture here was greatly influenced by our Latin American neighbors and also by the way the North American countrymen behave. In the United States, country music emerged at the beginning of the 20th century, and to this day